According to the EPA, the Earth's surface is made up of 80% of water. However, out of the 80% of water the Earth's surface is made up of, only 1% of it is drinkable water. In the United States, we use 27 trillion gallons of water a year. Everything alive survives off of water. In the state of Texas, we go through a lot of droughts, and the program is hoping to help educate the citizens of Texas about how much they use water and how they can recycle and conserve water so whenever the droughts do occur, they aren't as affected by it. I have been a Texas Water Ambassador for 2 years now. I work with Groundwater Conservation District in Stingville. I teach classes and teachers about the importance of water, and I know how to test water for pollutants. This program was developed 3 years ago to help educate the citizens of Texas about the water concerns it faces. Today I'll be discussing how to get into the program, what it is, and what is expected of you once you're in. First, let's talk about how to get into the program. Through an application process, hundreds of high school students around Texas apply to be a part of the program, the summer trip it takes, and to commit a certain amount of service hours annually in a variety of different ways. Also, you have to have 2 letters of recommendation letters from people that know you, besides your parents, so like people like counselors and teachers at your school. You have to submit a 2 to 3 minute YouTube video about who you are. Out of all the participants that apply to be a part of this program, only 32 of them get in. The year that I applied, only 28 of us made it. Now that we've talked about how to get into the program, let's talk about what it is. Based off of the Texas Agricultural Life Extension, the Texas 4-H Water Ambassador Program provides high school youth opportunity to gain knowledge and develop leadership skills based off of the science, technology, engineering, and management of water in Texas. It was established in 2017 for high school students interested in water and natural resources to see the potential careers and to understand it more. Not only is the information that you learn is important, but it also is recognized by our sponsors, as in groundwater conservation districts around Texas and colleges such as Texas A&M. By our sponsors, we are funded. Now that we discussed the boring parts of the program, let's discuss what it's really about. Fun, with a little bit of work here and there. Once you get accepted into the program, you're eligible for the summer trip that's a week long. During this week-long trip, you learn about water law, conservation of water, and Texas aquifers. Along with the education, you do have some fun portions of it, like going to the beach, swimming at natural springs, going on glass bottom boat tours, seeing salamanders and turtles, and going on cave tours. Every year you move up a tier. Tier 1 learns about water testing and gray water, which is sewer water being converted into drinkable water. Tier 2 learns about brackish water and what plants to plant based on your area and the water conditions of it. You have to have 40 hours of community service in order to go into the next tier. You can get 40 hours by working with your local groundwater conservation district or setting up booths at fairs such as the Comanche Powwow. The main goal is to educate the public about wasteful water habits and how they play an active role on the map of water Texas still has. In conclusion, you have learned about what the Texas 4-H Water Ambassador Program is, what its goals are, and how it tries to apply itself to the fellow citizens of Texas. In this speech, I have discussed how to get in, what it is, and what happens once you get accepted. This program has only been around for 3 years, but Texas has already awarded it the Environmental Excellence Award, which is the highest environmental honor it can get. I hope that this information I presented in this speech you pass them on to someone in high school that might be interested in this program. Thank you.